So we have been trying to come up with great ideas for the bed, which is also bench seats. I found something that I think might work. Little bizarre, but I was so excited when it arrived today. Oh, I got 2 of them. They are dog beds. I got 2 dog beds. So what's so cool, put together, they are 76 inches by 29 inches. So I have really been looking at a lot of different combinations. You know, people have been saying that you need breathability and all this stuff. So I got on the website for Purple, and I'm not sponsored by anyone, but got on their website and they didn't have anything. I even spoke to the company and said, could you make something the size we need? And they're like, no. But I continued to go through their website. So we laid them out earlier. We are going to do a test. I'm going to sleep all night on one. Now this is on a hardwood floor, and we plan on either weaving or slats. We're not exactly sure what we're going to put under it yet, but I figure if I could sleep on a hardwood floor on them, then they're going to be comfortable enough for us to sleep in the van. They're made like the Purple mattresses, but they only have a 1-inch grid on the top. And I will make sheets that go the full length. Nikki, come up here close and get all the goodies. Okay, so these are pretty swanky dog beds. I mean, each one is $189. So, and then we have to have 4. So if this works, it's not a cheap solution by any means, but I'm hoping it's going to be a really good solution. Now the dog beds are rated, I think, for like 75 pounds or more. This is the medium size. They actually have larger ones and smaller ones, but this is what would work in our van. And anyway, I'll let you know after I sleep on it. My husband's gonna sleep on it, and if we love it, then we're going to order 2 more. The van isn't quite finished, but here's a sneak peek at those mattresses with the custom-made winter linens on it. It is really cozy and wonderful in here. We hope you liked this video. Subscribe for all of our videos.